So today we're going to be learning about the verb AVERE, which basically means to have. So before we actually learn about AVERE, the verb AVERE, we need to understand pronouns. Io means I, tu means you, lui or lei means he or she, noi means we, voi means you all, and loro means they. So learn these pronouns and then the verb avere will be a lot easier to understand. Which pronoun would you use? For example, the uncle. It's he, so you would say lui. Okay, lo zio, the uncle, it's lui, it's him. Now, if it was Bruno, un amico, you would say lui. If it was zia Laura, it's her, so you would say lei. Marco and Clara, it's them, they, so you would say loro. Io, un amico e un'amica, it's us, it's we, so you would say noi. Tu e tua mamma, you and your mother, you would say voi. Maria e Gina, loro. Io, mamma e papà, noi, and tu, Marco e Lisa, voi. Bene, grazie means good, thank you. So if someone asked you, how are you? How would you answer? You could answer, I'm well, thanks, e tu, e voi, or e lei, depending on who it is. If it was your Aunt Maria, you would answer, bene, grazie, e tu? Your friends, you would say, bene, grazie, e voi. Your principal, bene, grazie, e lei. So if it was your cousin Anna, you'd say, bene, grazie, e tu? Your brothers, bene, grazie, e voi. If it was a waiter that you didn't really know well, you would say, bene, grazie, e lei? If it was your teacher, you would use the formal again, bene, grazie, e lei? Mr. and Mrs. Smith that you might know, you would say, or you would answer, bene, grazie, e voi? And your dad, bene, grazie, e tu. So it all depends on who you're talking to. So, to learn the verb avere, this is what you need to study. O, I have. A, you have. A, he or she has. Abbiamo, we have. Avete, you all have. And hanno, they have. Now, you don't need to say the pronouns. If you want to, if it's easier, you can. For example, io ho, tu hai, lui lei ha, noi abbiamo, voi avete, loro hanno. Una Fiat. I have a Fiat. A buon gusto. You have good taste. Ha un gatto. He or she has a cat. Abbiamo gelato. We have ice cream. Hanno soldi. They have money. Io ho un lavoro. I have a job. Tu hai un gatto nero. You have a black cat. Lei ha un gelato. She has a gelato. Lui ha una pizza. He has a pizza. Noi abbiamo un cane. We have a dog. Tu e Paolo hanno lezioni oggi. You and Paul have lessons today. Voi avete un cane, ma io ho un gatto. You all have a dog, but I have a cat. Loro hanno due macchine. Io ho una bicicletta. They have two cars. I have a bike. Avere is also used to describe feelings or physical sensations. So, for example, to be hungry, it's like they're saying having hunger. To be thirsty, having thirst. So, depending on who it is that's expressing that feeling, this is what you might learn, read, record. Ho fame, ho sete, hai ragione, hanno sonno, avete freddo, ha caldo, hanno fretta, ho paura. So the meanings are all on the slide here, and it all depends on who's actually expressing that feeling or that sensation. Ho fame, I'm hungry. Sì, hai fame. Yes, you are hungry. Ho sonno, I am sleepy. Ho freddo, I am cold. Saying the negative, like I don't have something, we put the word non before the avere verb. Let's have a look. Mario non ha soldi. Mario doesn't have money. Loro non hanno tempo. They don't have time. Io non ho pazienza. I don't have patience. How to make avere sound like a question. Avete un gelato? Do you have a gelato? Hai una penna? Do you have a pen? Hanno biglietti? Do they have tickets? Avere is also used to say how old someone is. Quanti anni hai? Ho 10 anni. Bella ha 15 anni. Franco ha 20 anni. Barbara ha 10 anni. Io ho 7 anni. So these exercises, what you could do is rewrite them using the subject pronouns. Example, ho una pizza, you would write io ho una pizza. Abbiamo 3 libri, you would write noi abbiamo 3 libri, etc. So just read the 8 sentences and then just rewrite them using the subject pronouns, and that's a really good exercise for you. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this lesson on avere, to have, and pronouns, and yeah, just study, practice, and eventually, you'll learn it. So I'll leave you with this image of the trulli, traditional homes from Puglia. They're basically just made of limestone with conical roofs, and they just then paint the walls white. Absolutely beautiful. Enjoy.
Created using Powtoon.